Your favorite host for the most, the best. Hair in resale, and we just had a DVD sale. Let's go grab it. Into our always messy inventory room. And I believe what we're looking for is Lois and Clark, Season 1. Looks like that's going to be it right there. Let's get it packaged up. Our favorite, the bubble wrap first. 1 bubble wrap, 2 bubble wrap, and 3. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's cling wrap. Ta-da! All right, fantastic. And as always, into a protective bubble mailer, your left side resale QR code. Hey, Deborah, thank you so much for your order. It's on its way.